Africa, the world's leading cocoa producer, is ripe with opportunity for homegrown chocolate empires. This video will guide you through the key steps to establishing a successful chocolate-making factory business in Africa. Mr. Kokona, our boss, can help you buy and install your factory everywhere in the world, so contact him from the number in this video description. Today, we'll take you through every step of the process, from sourcing cocoa beans to marketing your delicious chocolate. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a chocolate enthusiast, this video will provide all the information you need to get started. Before diving into the business aspects, let's understand the chocolate-making process. Concept and market research. Identify your niche. Will you cater to mass-produced bars, artisanal chocolates, or specific dietary needs, vegan, fair trade? Research your target market. Understand consumer preferences in your region and identify potential gaps. Analyze existing competition. Find opportunities to differentiate your brand through unique flavors, local ingredients, or ethical sourcing. Business plan and financial projections. Craft a comprehensive business plan outlining your vision, mission, products, marketing strategy, financial needs, and projected growth. Secure funding. Explore options like personal investment, loans, or grants, specifically for African entrepreneurs in the cocoa industry. Legalities and permits. Register your business and obtain the necessary licenses for food production and sales. Research regulations and quality standards for chocolate production in your country. Location and infrastructure. Choose a strategic location with access to transportation, utilities, and potentially a local cocoa source. Consider starting small and scaling up as your business grows. Sourcing cocoa beans. Cocoa beans are the heart of chocolate. Africa, especially countries like Ghana and Ivory Coast, is known for its high-quality cocoa beans. Build relationships with local farmers and cooperatives to ensure a steady supply of beans. Fermentation and drying. After harvesting, cocoa beans undergo fermentation and drying to develop their flavors. This process takes about a week. Roasting. Roasting brings out the chocolate flavor. Each type of chocolate has a specific roasting profile. Cracking and winnowing. The roasted beans are cracked open and the husks are removed, leaving the cocoa nibs. Grinding. The nibs are ground into cocoa mass or cocoa liquor. This is then separated into cocoa butter and cocoa powder. Conching. Conching smooths the chocolate and enhances its flavor. It can take several hours to days. Tempering. Tempering ensures the chocolate has a glossy finish and a crisp snap. Molding and packaging. The tempered chocolate is poured into molds and then packaged. Essential chocolate-making machinery. Roaster. Evenly roasts cocoa beans to develop their flavor profile. Winnower. Separates the roasted cocoa nibs from the shells. Grinder. Reduces nibs into cocoa mass, cocoa liquor. Refiner. Refines the cocoa mass into a smooth texture. Conche. Develops the chocolate flavor and aroma through extended mixing. Tempering machine. Controls chocolate temperature for molding and proper setting. Molding line. Forms chocolate into desired shapes. Additional considerations. Packaging equipment. Invest in heat sealers or wrappers to create professional packaging. Quality control equipment. Implement measures to ensure consistent quality throughout production. Setting up a chocolate factory requires careful planning and the right equipment. Let's break down the key components. Location and infrastructure. Choose a location close to cocoa farms to reduce transportation costs. Ensure the factory has a stable power supply and water source. Machines and equipment. Roasting machine, for roasting cocoa beans. Cracking and winnowing machine, to separate nibs from husks. Grinding machine, to create cocoa mass. Conching machine, for refining chocolate. Tempering machine, to temper chocolate. Molding machine, for shaping the chocolate. Packaging machine, for wrapping and packaging the final product. Local versus international cocoa. Partnering with local cocoa farmers, fosters ethical sourcing and community support. However, quality and consistency might require more effort. Importing cocoa beans offers more established quality control but might impact profit margins. Fair trade and sustainability. Consider fair trade certifications to ensure the ethical treatment of farmers and better prices for their cocoa. Look for sustainable practices like organic farming to elevate your brand image. Quality is key in the chocolate business. Here's how to ensure your chocolate is top-notch. Sourcing. Build strong relationships with farmers to get the best beans. Educate farmers on best practices for harvesting and fermenting. Running a successful business requires sound financial planning and a commitment to sustainability. Financial planning. Create a detailed business plan outlining your costs, pricing strategy, and revenue projections. Seek funding from investors or apply for business loans if needed. Sustainability. Implement sustainable practices in your factory, such as using renewable energy and eco-friendly packaging. Support fair trade practices to ensure farmers receive fair compensation. Embrace innovation. Experiment with unique flavor combinations and local ingredients to create a distinct product line. Invest in your people. Hire and train skilled employees passionate about chocolate. Stay agile. Be adaptable to market trends and customer preferences. By following these steps and continuously refining your approach, you can transform your dream of a chocolate factory into a thriving African business success story. Building on the foundation laid out earlier, let's delve deeper into some advanced considerations for your African chocolate factory. Choosing the right capacity. For small-scale production, 50-100 kg a day, consider stone mills and manual tempering machines for a more artisanal approach. As your business grows, look towards industrial roasters, refiners, and conchets for larger outputs. Balancing automation versus cost. Highly automated machinery offers efficiency, but comes with a higher initial investment. Semi-automated lines provide a good balance between affordability and control over the chocolate-making process. Local availability and maintenance. Research the availability of spare parts and after-sales service for your chosen machinery in Africa. Consider factors like electricity limitations. Some machines might require specific voltage or backup generators. Sustainable sourcing. Cocoa certifications. Explore certifications like UTZ or Rainforest Alliance that promote sustainable farming practices and fair treatment of cocoa farmers. Research local or regional cocoa sustainability initiatives you can partner with. Direct trade partnerships. Building relationships with local cocoa cooperatives allows you to directly impact farmer livelihoods and ensure high-quality bean selection. This approach might require more upfront effort in quality control and logistics. Networking is key. Build relationships with other chocolate makers in Africa, industry experts, and potential investors. Embrace innovation. Explore unique packaging solutions or eco-friendly options to differentiate your brand. Stay informed. Keep up to date with trends in the global chocolate market, particularly regarding consumer preferences and sustainability practices. By carefully considering these advanced aspects, you can establish a chocolate factory that not only thrives, but also contributes positively to the African cocoa industry and the communities it serves. Starting a chocolate-making factory in Africa is a rewarding journey that requires dedication, quality, and innovation. We hope this guide has inspired you to embark on this delicious adventure. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your chocolate business.